Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Nathan Hartley, and today I want to share with you guys a couple of updates from my M1 Finance and my Robinhood portfolio. I hope you guys enjoy. So starting out with my Robinhood portfolio, my total portfolio value is at $22,300. And I'm holding a little over $3,000 in cash, about $3,600, and I've got some pending cash coming in right now. Now I'm choosing to be heavier in cash in this position because with the whole market and the economy where it's at right now, being dependent on these stimulus checks, I have no idea where the market's going to go, but my gut feeling tells me that it's not going to be good. I like to buy heavier in Robinhood because that's more of an active trading style. Now I'll go ahead and get on with the video and show you guys my Robinhood portfolio. Starting out with my Robinhood portfolio, I still have my 22 shares of Tesla, I have 5 shares of Square, and I also have 5 shares of Wynn. Now I've gone ahead and sold my positions in Carnival Cruise Lines and Uber. With a recent earnings call with Elon Musk and seeing the self-driving with the stop signs and the stop lights that are coming out, I really think that Tesla is accelerating their growth in autonomous driving and it was really going to cut out Uber. Therefore, I went ahead and sold out of those positions. I know I was hedging my investment with them, but I really think that with this accelerated growth that Uber really doesn't stand a chance, and really no other automaker for that point makes sense in buying. Now, even though the market is going up, I really expect it to go ahead and hit that dead cat bounce and go ahead and hit rock bottom. But in case it does continue going up in a V-shaped recovery, I'm making sure I'm investing at least $25 a week in this Robinhood portfolio. Now in this Robinhood portfolio, those buys of those $25 is I'm buying Apple and I'm buying 2 Vanguard Etfs. I'm currently buying VOO and VTI. For those of you who don't know, Vanguard ETFs are ETFs or a single stock, in a matter of speaking, that owns many different companies. Small percentages here, greater percentages there, but it gives you a wider diversification in your portfolio. As you guys can see, I actually bought some Bitcoin and I'm currently sitting at about $100 in Bitcoin. Now I'm currently using this as a gold standard and I really think it's going to replace gold in the future. I'm kind of using this to hedge my portfolio just in case. It's very low risk, it's less than 1%. I want to currently build it to about 1% of my portfolio. And it could 30x in the future, but who knows? I just want to make sure that I cover all my bases. So there's 2 stocks that I mainly sold in my Robinhood portfolio. Those stocks being Uber and Carnival Cruise Lines. Not that I didn't think they're great companies, because I think they are, but I am thinking that the market is going down and I want to have a stronger cash position. So I went ahead and I sold $601.26 of my Uber shares, which I went ahead and circled for you guys, as well as $471.44 of Carnival Cruise Lines, which I'm circling right now as well for you guys, just to go ahead and strengthen my position in my portfolio to be ready if it does drop. That for my portfolio gave me an extra amount of cash of $1,072.70, which was very helpful and is going ahead and leveraging me so that I'm in a good position to invest if the market does drop. Now, the crypto that I'm currently buying on Robinhood, I'm kind of storing a little bit on Robinhood, kind of like a bank, but I also am buying some crypto in Cash App. I have about $50 to $70 in Cash App right now, and I'm only spending $10 a week in Cash App to buy Bitcoin in there as well. I want to be able to spend it and have it flexible to where I can use it if I need it. Let's go ahead and move into my M1 Finance portfolio that's a total of $10,200. In this portfolio that I'm currently holding just a little over $400 in cash, and I have just a little over $9,800 in my invested portfolio. Now in this portfolio, I'm currently holding these stocks right here. And with these stocks, I went ahead and sold out of positions that I'm either very up or things that I think that I can reinvest that money in a more efficient manner. I went ahead and sold a couple of different stocks in this portfolio just a few short days ago. I went ahead and I sold Uber, Leidos, and Tangent Group. Now, these stocks right here are stocks that I was able to get just almost a little over $1,909. Now, I wanted to make sure that I invested a little bit of it back in, but like I said, I wanted to move it out of my M1 Finance portfolio and I wanted to move it over to Robinhood so I had more fluid and instant access to that cash to be able to invest it if something happens. If nothing does happen, then I'll go ahead and use that finance and go ahead and reinvest it in back at where the market's currently at. But from whenever I pulled that money out, the market has started to go down, so I'm very grateful that I made that decision. I also decided to sell out of Twitter. and I sold out of $103 about of Twitter, and I believe Twitter is a good company, and I think Jack Dorsey is a great CEO, but like I said, I think I can get in at a lower cost, and I can invest that money wiser if the market does drop. A few more stocks that I did sell was I sold a little bit of Amazon, a little bit of Google, and a little bit of Beyond Meat. I was very high up on my position in all three of these, and I think they're overvalued, yes, but I wanted to take the money while I had made some profits on it, on these stocks that are overvalued, and go ahead and sell that so that I can reinvest it if the market drops. Now, I really have that gut feeling that the market is going to drop, and that's my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a YouTuber, okay? I'm just trying to share my knowledge and what little I know with you guys in hopes that maybe we can make a good investment together. And I'm currently adding $25 a week to my M1 Finance portfolio, just getting that little bit of growth that it needs in these times, in these days, to make sure that I continue that good habit of a steady drip investment. Currently, both of my growth portfolios have a little over $5,600 in them. That's about 15% cash compared to my total position. Now, I would like to get that position to about 25%, so I have a little bit to go, and I've been saving. Now, I haven't really invested money into the market in the past month because I think it's too richly valued, and I'm waiting for those price to earnings ratios to come back down. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and save my money and kind of sit in the sidelines with a little bit of drip to make sure I get a little bit of exposure to the market. But I'm going to go ahead and wait, and maybe if we do have that bounce and the market does drop, I can get a lot more for a lot less. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked it, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel. And leave a comment down below if you guys have any stocks that maybe I should be looking at. Thank you guys and have a great day.